If you've ever been locked out of your own phone, whether from a forgotten passcode, a broken screen, or buying a secondhand device, you know how frustrating it can be. In today's video, we're reviewing one of the most talked about phone fixing tools, Wondershare Dr.Fone, and I'll walk you through exactly how it works, what it can fix, and whether it's worth using. So stay with me till the end. This might save your device. Let's start with what Dr.Fone actually does. In short, it's an all-in-one phone repair suite designed for both iPhone and Android users. The most popular feature, and the one most people search for, is screen unlock. Whether you forgot your passcode, Face ID isn't working, the pattern lock is stuck, or you're dealing with Google's FRP lock, Dr.Fone has a method to get you back in. Before anything else, remember this: unlocking through Dr.Fone will completely reset your device, so having a backup is extremely important. Now, let me break down how the process works, starting with iPhones. Once you open the Dr.Fone desktop app, go to Toolbox, Screen Unlock, iOS. The software walks you through putting the device into recovery mode. After that, you hit Start, let it verify the device model, and then click Unlock Now. It will ask you to type 000000 to confirm, and then the program resets the phone and removes the lock. Simple, guided, and beginner friendly. For Android users, it's a similar flow with a bit more customization. Inside the toolbox, choose Screen Unlock, Android, and then select your phone's manufacturer. Dr.Fone gives you device-specific steps to remove pins, patterns, passwords, and even FRP locks on many models. After the wiping process finishes, your phone boots up clean and fully usable. But here's where Dr.Fone really stands out. Its brand new features released just this week. First, an upgraded Android system repair tool that auto-detects your phone's details and lets you repair system issues with one click. No more flashing firmware manually. And second, a lifesaver for many users: broken Android data recovery. If your Android device has a cracked or unresponsive screen, Dr.Fone can now extract your data without needing to unlock or navigate the phone. So, is Dr.Fone the best phone fixing software? If you need a straightforward way to unlock your device, repair system issues, or recover data from a broken phone, it's definitely one of the most complete and beginner-friendly tools out there. Just remember the data wipe warning before unlocking. Thanks for watching. If this review helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop your questions in the comments. I'll see you in the next one.